Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip, TA-033. I have another tech tip for the 2001 Chrysler Town & Country van, the Chrysler Voyager, and the Dodge Caravan. This time we want to discuss the symptom of the accessory drive belt squealing or jumping off of the pulleys. So what could be the cause of these symptoms? It is possible for water to drip down from the wiper module drain tube and onto the drive belt. If this is happening, it will result in belt squealing. In colder regions, ice can form on the belt and cause the belt to jump off the pulleys when starting the vehicle. The solution? First find the wiper module drain tube near the top of the right strut tower. Now, with the hood open, send water into the wiper cowl grill. If water is leaking at the wiper drain tube, then simply install a new seal. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter or alternator should be a Remy.